from the Gremlins movie. Okay, Gizmo's a cute little funny teddy bear like, and he's like got lots of fur here on his round where his ears will be, so just go crazy with that. That's fun. And we'll do the same over here like this. Look at all that. That's fun. And then we'll bring his cheeks on down like this. Do the same over here. Bring it on down a little oval like. And he's almost got a bit of a beard he does right around here. So make it all squiggly like around there again too. That's nice. And Gizmo's got some big ears. Big ears, just like this. That's a lot of fun. Bring them around like that. Oh, like that. That's good. Let's do the same over here. Big wide ears like that. There we go. Just like that. Wow, that's fun. All right, here we go. And here's the flap of his ear there like that. And then we'll bring this one up and we'll bring that ear around like that. Give it a couple of lines in there because they're stretchy ears they are. There we go. I like that. All right. Now Gizmo's got some tiny little nostrils here. I might like make a little dot right about here and there. And then he's got a bit of a funny bit around his mouth here like this. Just like that. Big oval like attached to his nostrils. And give him a smile. There we go. Just like that. Oh, I like it. Okay. And Gizmo's so cute because he's got some big eyes. He does just like this and that. There we go. Let's do that. And then we'll do the same over here. Just like this. And like that. Very nice, everybody. And within that, we'll draw another eye. Just like this. And like that. And the same over here. Like that and that. And then his eyeballs. We'll have him looking over here. How about that? Just for fun. Have him looking over on this side. Give him a bit of a highlight in his eye. Right about here and there. And we'll do that. Very nice, everybody. I'm liking this. This is looking very good. All right. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna have Gizmo sitting. So we're gonna have his arms kind of down here like this. His shoulders. And remember, he's all furry, so we're gonna make furry bits all the way around. Come around like this. Give him some fingers here. He's only got 3 fingers. There we go, just like this and that. Give him some fingernails. That's fun. All right, there we go. And then we'll bring his furry arm up like this. And up like that. Oh, I like that. That's fun. And then we can do the same over here like this. And we'll draw a finger in here like that. 1, 2, and 3. And then we'll draw the fingernails again. Just like that. There we go. Remember, all kind of furry-like. Just like that. We're looking pretty good here. All right, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring his knee up around here as if he's sitting down and he's got his hands on his knees. Over here, we'll bring his bum around here just like this. There we go. All right, and then we can draw his feet. So come on up like this. And again, he'll have 3 toes. 1, 2, 3 toes. Bring his foot like that. Oh, I like that. That's looking nice. Do like that. So this is the bottom of his foot there, like this. There's his heel. Very nice, everybody. And this leg could be like this. And there you go, his hands on it, just like that. Very nice. And the little tummy can come down like that. That's looking good. And then what we can do is we'll draw his other foot right about here like this. This is toe number 1, toe number 2, and we'll make that come around like that for toe number 3. There we go, and give him a heel there, just like that. There we go. I'm liking this. Just like that and that. Very good. And then we can bring his leg in like that. And we've got Gizmo here. And what we're going to do now is we're going to divide his fur up a little bit, because Gizmo's got kind of brownish and white fur. So we're going to give him a bit of a tummy bit here, just like that. And then we're going to do the same over here with his shoulder. I'm liking that. And maybe even over here with his leg, where his tummy meets up. Very nice. Bring his tummy right down there, so we'll separate that later. I like this. This is looking good. And where his furry bits were on his face, bring that on up like that. And we'll give him a bit of a patch on his top of his head like this. Very nice. And then we'll give him an eye patch, just like this. There we go. That's fun. It's Gizmo, everybody. It's Gizmo from Gremlins. All right, don't dip him in water or feed him after midnight. Let's get to the color. Dark brown patches on fur and eyes. Light brown skin. And black eyes. Thanks, everyone.